Assalamu alaikum everyone. You are watching Smart English Learning. My today's video is for students who are in matriculation or who have matriculated. I am only mentioning the names of matriculation students because often at this age of a person seems to come to consciousness. He decides about his future, what field of education he should take next. How can we become a successful person in the life to come? We can get a job by getting higher education, but sadly, 10% of people think so. Rest of all do not know what to do next. So today's video is very beneficial for the young generation of 16 or 17 years. If you start thinking about your bright future today, believe me, God willing, you can be a successful person. All you have to do is work hard. Believe in Allah and yourself. Inshallah, one day success will knock at your door. Remember, the world belongs to successful people because no one likes failed people. You may have heard that man changes his own destiny. Allah Almighty says, I will reward you for your work hard. Everyone turns into a yes man to get a job after college. That is why many people go through their career hating their job or jumping off from one company to another. People go to college to get a degree and to pursue their passion and interest. Unfortunately, once they step outside the university, they make choices different from the things that they want to be. They seem to become oblivious of their own goals. College doesn't only prepare you for a job, rather, it's a preparation for life. A college diploma will open doors of opportunities. It will show you how to get there. But remember, your destination, your future success are yours to choose. Whether you have tailored a long term plan or you see new possibilities for your future career. I will tell you the most powerful career advice will empower you as you encounter difficulties in facing reality. The first most powerful career advice that every college student needs to know: enter every activity without giving mental recognition to the possibility of defeat. Concentrate on your strengths instead of your weaknesses, on your powers instead of your problems. Life in the real world is different from being a student. Challenges are inevitable as well as failures. However, if you focus on your strengths and use your weaknesses to improve yourself, nothing is impossible to a determined person. Winston Churchill says success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. You are young. It's okay to make mistake. If you get into wrong career path or you meet a bad boss or you are dissatisfied with your job, it's okay. That's normal. In the span of your career journey, you will surely make mistake and fail many times. You are still inexperienced, so enjoy exploring life. Fix your mistakes and learn from them. Then move forward. That's the joy of learning. My next advice is: everyone wants to be successful in life, but instead of running behind success, aim for excellence, strive for it, and eventually you will become successful. Another most important advice is: dream big and act on it to make it happen. Do what you are passionate about and embrace it. Whatever you enjoy doing, making it your profession. Satisfy your inner interest before others. It's you who can make your dream come true and not them. Take a chance and trust yourself. You can concentrate on your goals, but do not forget to have life. Study effectively and work hard, but don't forget to relax and enjoy a bit. Go out with friends and have quality time with your family. Pursue your goals while living a balanced life. Another advice is: envision yourself living to your dream and figure out how you can achieve it. If you dream to become a business person, teacher, doctor, nurse, engineer, then plan how you are going to reach it. No matter what life throws at you, keep going and live to your purpose. Having a strong desire or will is what keeps you from achieving your goals. If you desire to succeed in life, you can do everything to make your goal a reality. This gives you hope inspiration, and driving force to move forward and accomplish something. You know, a dream without action is dead. Having dreams without believing on it is useless. If you dream, make sure it's big. Plan on how to get it and be confident that you can reach it. If you desire to get a particular job, even if it seems impossible to achieve, never stop believing and do your best to get it. You can start from taking small steps until you reach goal. While you are young, have a clear vision of your future. Even though you are still clueless with your destination, just think of what you wanted to become. Fill your mind with positive thoughts, dreams, and beliefs so that it would manifest into your life. Stop worrying, stop complaining. Do not let the idea of what ifs corrupt your dreams. You might not control everything that may happen to you, but you have a choice to take it or leave it behind. Successful people didn't wait for opportunities to knock on their doors. They created it. That's why they are reaping what they have sown. Apply this truth to your life and you will definitely accomplish everything on your own. I have strong belief in motivation. Staying consistently motivated in reaching your goals will eventually become your habit. If you continuously do things properly, then you will keep going until you get to your destination. When you are motivated, you have a reason to do what you love. My last and most important advice is never give up. Failures happen to everyone, and yes, it happens all the time. Don't feel hopeless after failing many times. You just have to understand perfectly the purpose of failure in your life in order to realize that it is something you need to succeed. Giving up will stop you from achieving greatness and make a difference. So, instead of thinking about quitting, why not take it as an opportunity to make things way better? What else do you want to improve about yourself? Pick what you need most and upgrade yourself. Whatever you want to succeed in doing, you have to start working on it. Nothing will happen if you do nothing at all. Thank you.